Hi traders! Today we're building an automated trading strategy using pullback signals from Sky Fibomoku in NinjaTrader 8's Strategy Builder. Sky Fibomoku is an indicator that provides a dynamic support and resistance zone ahead of price movements. It achieves this by combining the leading span B line from the Ichimoku cloud with Fibonacci retracement levels. To streamline the process of building an automated strategy, let's first check the dedicated NinjaScript signals available for Sky Fibomoku on its product page. Sky Fibomoku defines signal trade values as follows. 1 indicates a bullish pullback. -1 indicates a bearish pullback. Now, let's display these signals on the chart to better understand how they work. Open the indicator dialog and add Sky Fibomoku to your chart. Adjust the parameters to fit your trading preferences. Scroll down to the visual section and disable the auto scale option. Customize the signal trade plot color at the bottom. Now, let's see the values that correspond to buy and sell signals directly on the chart. Right-click on the chart and select Show Data Box to display signal values. Take a close look. Blue markers represent a bullish pullback, 1, while pink markers indicate a bearish pullback, -1. Understanding these signals will allow us to set precise entry conditions in the strategy builder as we move forward. Now, we're going to dive into the important part. Building an automated strategy. The first step is to open the Control Center window. Click New and select Strategy Builder. Give your strategy a name like Sky Fibomoku Strategy Builder. Next, in the Conditions and Actions section, we'll set up conditions for both buy and sell entries. For the buy condition, click Add, select Indicator, and find Sky Fibomoku Strategy Builder in the list. Make sure the settings here match what you have on your chart. From the Value Plot menu, select Signal Trade, then go to the MISC section and set the numeric value as needed. In the Do the Following section, click Add, choose Order Management, and for the buy setup, select a long order type. For the sell setup, choose a short order type. If you want to display these conditions on the chart, you can add vertical lines. Click Add, select Drawing, and choose Vertical Line. In the tag box, use the String Builder, then click Set. Navigate to MISC and select Current Bar. This will ensure a vertical line is drawn at the exact bar where the conditions are met. For sell conditions, we can duplicate the buy setup and adjust the logic and order types accordingly. To keep everything clear on the chart, be sure to use different colors for buy and sell vertical lines. To set up target and stop loss levels, head to the Stops and Target section. Click Add and enter your desired values for profit target and stop loss. Keep in mind that the values I'm using here are just for demonstration, they're not recommendations. Now it's time to see the automated strategy with Sky Fibomoku in action. On the chart, click the Strategies icon at the top, or right-click and select Strategies. Add the Sky Fibomoku automated strategy to the chart, and check the Enable box. Before deploying your automated strategy on a live account, it's crucial to test it on a demo account first. This allows you to fine-tune the strategy and ensure it performs as expected. Now, let's see how the automated strategy using Sky Fibomoku performs on the NQ100 tick chart. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about building an automated strategy with Strategy Builder, drop us a message through the contact link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more trading insights and tutorials. See you in the next one.